Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes backspace key not working in Windows 11, 10, 8, 7 fix. First method is click Start, Settings, click Update and Security, click Troubleshoot, click Run Troubleshooter under keyboard. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Ease of Access, click Keyboard. Turn off filter keys. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand keyboards, right-click keyboard, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers. Fourth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand keyboards, right-click keyboard, click Uninstall device, click Uninstall, click Yes to restart system. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.